Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohanur Rahman Shohaig with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect voltmeter with two position switch. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. MCB circuit breaker, two position selector switch, voltmeter, neutral connection input to MCB circuit breaker, and outgoing from MCB to voltmeter. Phase connection connect to MCB and outgoing from MCB to connect selector switch. Phase connection from selector switch to connect voltmeter. Second phase connection connected to MCB and again connect to selector switch. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.